Think. Act. And prosper. You are now tuned into the Money Level Show.
Hey everyone, it's Daryl from the Money Level Show, where we think, act, and prosper. Here, we change financial trajectories and build legacies. Today, we're going to focus on how to buy stocks on the foreign exchange stock markets. This is an important topic because many times people hear about companies, and these companies may not be listed on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. Oftentimes, these companies are listed on an exchange such as the Toronto Stock Exchange or the Australian Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange, but hardly do you see them on any American exchanges. And then some of these companies are on the OTC market. The OTC market is the over-the-counter market, which has many risks within itself. Oftentimes, the OTC market, many stocks that are on there do not have the same level of regulation or accountability as companies do on stock exchanges. The liquidity can go away really quick when people run from the exits in those stocks. And I can tell you right now, you cannot sell if there's not a buyer. There are also fees to trade on the OTC market. Oftentimes, brokers may charge a $6.95 fee just to make a buy and a sell. So you're paying quite a bit of money to be able to trade on the OTC markets. So let's go ahead and look at Interactive Brokers so that you can see how to buy stocks, foreign equities that are not listed on the US stock exchanges. All right, so here we are. This is a new account I just opened. So I just started this account. As you can see, the balance here, $43. That balance will be increasing. I've really just been trying to figure this out. And so now I have a pretty good grasp on it, thanks to a friend of mine who actually showed me this. And so now I'm able to show you all this. Hello, everyone. Sorry for the break in action, but I want to tell you about the link in my description below. This is to the New Orleans Investment Conference. This conference has been around for years and have brought many people out, such as Milton Friedman, Gerald Ford, Alan Greenspan, and Margaret Thatcher. This conference is put on by Brian Lundeen and his team. Brian is the CEO of Gold Newsletter. This year, they're going to have speakers such as Jim Rickards, George Gammon, Peter Schiff, Rick Rule, Danielle DiMartino Booth, Lynn Alden, and many others. Now, I encourage you to click the link in the description below. You can choose to attend the live event, which I will likely be at, as well as the event that is live streamed. You can support the channel by using my link below, so I encourage you to check that out. Now, let's get back to the interview. So there's many companies, especially one that I really want to buy, such as Kazatomprom, which Rick Rule talks about this uranium company all the time. You can obviously access it through the ETF URNM, as they are a big holder of Kazatomprom the last time I checked, but you can also buy Kazatomprom directly. And Rick talked about this, that they're listed on the London Stock Exchange and that you can buy them through there. So we're going to go ahead and look at what we can buy and how to do that. So Interactive Brokers, you want to sign up for an account, and then you have to obviously deposit money. So one thing that you want to make sure that you have when you go to the settings is that you want to have your account's settings correct. So for example, here you go to trading permissions. So trading permissions, and then you want to go to stocks. Then when you go to stocks, you can pick which locations you wish to trade stocks at. So you can have obviously Australia, United Kingdom. This is the one that Kazatomprom is listed on. I have Canada and the United States. I may open up more later on, but right now I'm just sticking with these because I know where the companies that I want to invest in, where they reside. So that's why I'm there. All right. So next, once you have money deposited into your account, you want to go to trade, and you have to convert your currency to the currency that you are wishing to trade in. So for example, Kazatomprom is on the London Stock Exchange, so I need to convert my dollars probably into British pounds. So what you want to do is the currency that you currently have, Right now, I currently have Canadian dollars because I converted it already, but you will select USD, and then you'll select the currency that you want. So this is where you can find that. So obviously I would want the British pound, and I would convert that currency so that I can go and buy Kazatomprom. The next thing that you want to do is open a trade. So you go to the trade orders and trades window, or you can just click here, trade, and you can enter a symbol. So, or you can enter the company's name. So if I want to trade Kazatomprom, I'm going to type it in. Kazatomprom. Here it is right here. So if I look at Kazatomprom, right now it is at $29. I don't know if this is Canadian dollars or what, but I mean, probably because that's what I have in currency, but it's at $29, and you have to kind of figure out which currency it is and such. But it's C29, whatever that is, right? And then you want to select how much you want to buy. So, what's the quantity? Or you want to buy shares, or do you just want to spend a certain amount of dollars, right? And then you want to do your limit price, or you can do a market order, but they do have a lot of warnings against market orders. And so then you want to enter your price that you want to buy it at, and you just click submit buy order. So that is how you buy stocks that are on the foreign stock exchange. So other companies I want to invest in are on this Toronto Stock Exchange. So I can look up Toronto stocks as well. So for example, I'll go to Empress Metals, Empress Royalty. Yep, EMPR. So I could buy them at 32 cents a share. And I already have Canadian dollars. So I can actually enter a order to buy this company. So that's pretty much simple. So that's how you can buy stocks on foreign stock exchanges. So I hope this was helpful for you all to be able to invest in companies that are not listed on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. This is a way so that you can avoid the OTC markets, which have high fees and which are highly risky because of liquidity issues. So I hope that this was helpful. Be sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I want to thank you all for joining me today. All right, peace.